Hello guys, welcome back to our AI automation tutorials. In the last video, we saw how you can connect HTTP request to Tavily to search on the web and produce some research. In this video, we're going to learn about how we can connect AI agents to produce some meaningful responses and send them back to the Google Sheets for the LinkedIn content. Okay, after the HTTP request is set up, we'll add the AI agent. Oh, before going ahead with it, let me just walk you through some of the detailed fields in the HTTP request. Okay, in the last video we saw that the prompt you give here is going to Tavily and it's searching on the web that who is Lionel Messi, and it's producing some response along with the URL of the Wikipedia page that it's using to generate the response from. So what we are seeing is who is Lionel Messi and a response. But what if we do three responses, three results at max? Then we will get three responses, three websites. I mean, so here's the list of three websites that it gave about Lionel Messi. This is the one, this is another one, and this is the third one. And we can also customize it based on the depth, the topic, the time range, etc. Now, what if I wanna make this dynamic again? Because of course, what's the point in hard writing something and not making it dynamic? That it would not feel that easy or that practical enough. So let's turn it into an expression. So once we turn this into an expression and opened it in the large window, we're gonna remove who is Lionel Messi and replace it with the variable of topic. So what this is gonna do is fetch the topic from Google Sheets and pass it on to Tavily, and the query is for this particular variable is AI image generation, like you can see. So if execute this step, what we'll see here is research based on AI image generation. So it gives some deep AI machine learning website. So it looks like it's an image generator. So yeah, you get the idea. Whatever we write here is gonna be searched on the web and given a response back. So after this, we're gonna connect an AI agent to this workflow. Because of course, without an AI agent, the workflow is nothing but a still stone. Let's define below what we want from the AI agent. Let's write article 1 and make it dynamic with this particular URL. Then let's go next and write article 2 and take this URL. Likewise with article 3. Here we inserted the URL for all the three articles that we are given. Now we're gonna write some message in order to make the AI agent more customized according to our needs. So yeah, this is another system message that I generated with GPT. Let's remove the hashtags, we don't need them. And yeah, we are good now. Now let's Yep, so now let's give a brain to this AI agent. The brain is going to be, of course, OpenAI chat model and GPT-4 Omni, like always. Now, if we process this, we have some. Okay, once we get the response back from our AI agent, we're gonna add the Google Sheets again. Oops, I did something, I guess. Yep, we're gonna add Google Sheets again, and this time we're gonna use it to update the row in the sheet. Now, since we have the content already in our hands, we want it to insert it back to the Google Sheet. So here we have a LinkedIn post. Choose from sheet one. We want to map each column manually. Column to match on will be the topic, since we're gonna coincide the topic that we are dealing with. Now the topic would be of course the AI image generation one, and the variable will be the topic. The status would be now created. Now, since we already made the content and inserted back into it, we would need to change the status from to do to created. So here we write created, and the content will be the one produced by our AI agent. Boom. So yeah, here the update row in sheet is ready. Now let's see if this is doing the work that we intended. Now let's check our Google Sheet. When we refresh it back, boom, here we have the content already in our hands without doing anything, without writing it all by ourselves. It shows created, and we have the content over here. Now the thing is, suppose we did this for day one, and we scheduled it so that it activates every single day and makes the content for us for each of the LinkedIn post. So it will go on for every day. It will run again for the next day for the topic of puppies, and then it would make it created, and then it would insert the content. So, yeah, I hope by far you must have understood how you can build these workflows and how tremendous of a significance it can add to your workspace. So, I hope this really helps. These tutorials help. And till then, stay tuned and keep learning.